Hey guys, we're at Bear Rock Junction and my wife is taking me on the choo-choo for my birthday. She looks super thrilled to be stuck in this little tiny car.
On your way here, we would like to remind you, just for your safety, to please remain seated. You keep your head, arms, and legs inside the train at all times during our trip. And then once we arrive back here on our station, when we come to a complete stop, you're going to hear one toot on the whistle from our little steam engine up there. Once it happens, that means the train won't move anymore and it will be safe for you to step back onto the platform. But other than that, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. All aboard!
This is the train yard where the train backs up into where they keep it during the winter.